Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 15-minute high energy dance cardio. I'm going to be testing how many calories I burn in this 15-minute workout. But I do want to say that if you're only working out to burn calories, I encourage you to find some joy in movement, connecting with your breath, connecting with your body, connecting with fun music, and getting those endorphins flowing. That is personally why I love moving my body and working out. So without further ado, go ahead and clear a little bit of space and we will get this party started. All right, soften in those knees, start to roll the shoulders back. I'm gonna get you nice and warm before we pump it up. Give me 2 more slow, just like this. Now speed up those shoulders, take them back and back. Focusing in on that upper body. Gonna stay right here for 8, for 6, you got it, here for 4, 3, good, take your rib cage side to side, right to left. So you're just trying to isolate through the rib cage, feeling those obliques fire up. Now add a little reach out through the arms, 8, 6, good, give me 4, 3, 2, big stretch, take it right. Good, lift all the way up. Other side, big reach up and over. Woo, good, bring that body upright. Good, bring those arms to your side. You're gonna press right and left. Left arm, right arm. You're twisting across your body. Adding that little bend through the knees. When you come through the center, reach and reach. Good, now we're gonna go a little higher, up on the diagonal. Reach and reach. Just feel this in the obliques a little bit. Energy out those fingertips. Give me 4, 3, good. We're gonna alternate side then up. Go side, side, then up and up. Straight across, up a little higher. Woo! Straight across, then up. Big reach and up. Keep it going, y'all. We got 4. We got 3. Reach and reach. We're here for 2. And up. Last set. Woo! Come back to the center. We go down, press it up. Down and up. So you're finding that squat and then that overhead press. Lower, push. Lower and push. Elbows are squeezing into the side. Maintain your core as you drop. Lift. Inhale, exhale. So good, stay with me. We've got 4, 3, 2. Good, you're gonna add a little reach up and over to the right. Go down, reach, switch, up, squeeze. Almost like you have a little L shape through the arm. With that reach overhead, it's gonna push into the oblique. For 2, and 1. Let's hold it low, little pulse, down, down. Good, option to take those hands behind your low back, proud chest, rib cage closed, abs are tight. Give me 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, on 1, turn your toes out, drop your chest. Dip the right shoulder forward. Good, lift it up, switch sides. Keeping those feet wide, those toes turn out, bring your body up, arms wide, side to side, we take it right, left. Inner and outer thighs firing up. We're hinging slightly forward from the waist. Woo! Yes, it's right and left. Now you're gonna reach for the toes, side to side. So you go reach and reach. Right side, left side. Oh yeah. Elevating that heart rate. Pushing into those heels. Keep it going. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, on 1. Bring it up, little step tap. Take those arms side to side. You got it, y'all. Woo! Start to get those arms moving a little bigger. Reach and reach. Give me 8. You got it. 4, 3. We're gonna take 2 steps to the left. Go out, in, out. Out, in, out. Starting to take up a little space. Out, in, out. Out, in, out. Okay, bring those arms up. Let's add a little reach. Up, up, lift, lift. Woo. Give me 4. Last 2. On 1. Step tap. Yes. Woo. That's it. Keep it going for 8. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your feet in. Big inhale up. Exhale, lower your arms. Take that inhale one more time. And then exhale, let it go. Woo! Good work, y'all. How are we feeling? We're gonna change it up a little bit. Moving into a new set of movements. Bring those elbows into the side. You're gonna start by tapping the right foot out. It's out, in, out, in. Reach and reach. So you're stacking that palm over the shoulders. Woo. Yes, good. Now I'm gonna change it up a little bit. You're gonna reach across. The foot is still tapping out and in. You're just twisting into the torso and then returning back to center. Reach and squeeze, reach and squeeze. I'm gonna put the 2 together. You have 2 up, 2 down. So it's up, up, then across the body. Reach and reach. Do it one more time, slow. Up, full extension, up, and across. Good, now we're gonna speed that up. Double time, let's go. Go right, left, push, push, up, up, push, push, reach. Woo! You got it, y'all. Last time. Now you're gonna kick the booty, 4 booty kicks. We take a squat, we lift up. 4 booty kicks. We drop low and lift. Drop, lift, up, drop, and lift. Keep it going. 4. Are you breathing? Send oxygen and love to your body. Good, hold it up, little tap, slow, pull. Just the reach. Sometimes with being slow, it's even harder because our body wants to rush and push through. But I encourage you to find that inhale and exhale. Now we press. Press. Can you find the twist? And twist. 4, 3, 2. Put them together, slow again. Reach high. Reach high. Reach across. Reach across. One more time, slow. You know what to do. Can you get taller? Can you find more intention? Now we speed it up. Let's go. Right, left, push, push, up, up, push. Yes. Woo. Let it build. Last time, we go back to our booty kicks with the squat. Pick it up. Take it low and squeeze. Booty kick. Take it low. Squeeze. Yes. Booty kick. Drop. Keep it going. Yes. Good. Hold it right here. Little pulses. Down, down, down. Can you reach your arms over your head? Reach to the corners of your space. Zip your abs up. Push into those heels. Woo! Shoulders down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch it out. Okay, guys, we have about 5 minutes more of high intensity. Taking me up a little bit. So, bring your feet wide. Toes are turned out. Little drop, little lift. Take it down. Lift halfway. Down, lift halfway. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Inner and outer thighs. Heavy tail. Bring those hands into your heart. Press the palms actively together. Isolating into that lower body. Good, let's take it into a little pulse right here. Little pulse. Little pulse. Yes. Good, now we're gonna come over to the right side, lunge it for 8. For 6, square your hips. abs stay tight. Now pull that left knee into the chest. Pull in, crunch, crunch. Exhale as the knee drives in to the core. 8 more. 6, I'm with you. 4, 3, hold that foot back, swing the arm. Start small, circle back. Good, 4, 3, we're gonna go even bigger, reach that arm for 8. That's it, you got 6, keep going. 4, 3, back to the knee pull, take it in, crunch and crunch. Big exhale, really ground into that front leg. Stay with me, you got 8, woo, 6, yes, it feels good. Now we're just gonna hold the lunge, pulse it down, pulse, pulse, ground your body. 4 more, now we come back to the center, full range, down, up, good. Adding on, you're gonna take a step, tap, tap, finding that same plie in the center. Good, take a little hit, down, reach, reach, jazz hands. Woo. Now if you want more, windmill your arm, down and up, like you're tossing a ball over your head. You're gonna feel those obliques. 8 more, 6, we got it, y'all. 4, 3, 2, let's pulse it low. Good, abs are tight, so strong. Over to the left side this time. 8, 6, we're gonna go back into that knee pull. Right knee drives in, let's go. In, exhale, exhale. Woo. Are you breathing? Give me 8, 6, 4, 3, circle that arm right here, a little circle, circle. Use this to catch your breath. Inhale, exhale, option, a little bigger. Open that shoulder, but maintain control. 4, 3, 2, back to the knee pull, let's go. In. So good, 8 more, come on, 8. I'm with you, the hard part is over. We're at that finish line. Don't give up now. Let's pulse it low, pulse, pulse. You got it. 4, 3, good, come back to center, full range, down, up. Give me 4 more right here. 4, 3, 2, on one little step, touch, there you go. Plie, tap, tap. Yes, engage those abs. Jazz hand, let's go, take a reach, reach, twist, twist. Option to windmill, up and over, down, toss, toss. Let's finish right here, final push. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, keep moving, step, tap. All right, y'all, almost there. Now reach those arms to the sky, go up, down, up, pull, pull, up, down, up, pull, pull, up, down, up, pull. Woo! Find those levels if you want. You add a jump at the top, jump, pull, pull, jump, pull, pull. Give me 1 more. Last one, pull it. Good, step touch. We did it, y'all. Keep moving that body. Reach your arms up, up, and down. Last time, up. Good, ground it. Yes. We made it. 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale. Exhale, tuck your chin. Do it one more time. Exhale, tuck your chin. Good, roll those shoulders up and back. Bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Walk your feet slightly wider than your hips. Turn your toes out. Slow drop, down, up. You should feel that heart beating. Yes. Sink, squeeze. Sink and squeeze. Bring that heart rate down. Last two. Last one. Good. Bring those arms up. Drop the right arm. Take a side body stretch. Open your heart. Lift it up. Drop the left arm. Switch sides. Good. Bring those arms back up. Open wide. And exhale, drop. Press your chest forward. Dipping that right shoulder. And switch, left shoulder. Staying low, find your lunge. Meet me down. Take your right arm forward. Circle that arm back 4. Circle for 3. 2. Last time. Hands down to the ground. Move to the center. Good, walk it over to your left side. Find your lunge, reach that arm back, circle, and reach, circle. 2 more times. Last time. Good, take your hand down to the ground, step your foot back, maybe in a high plank. Shoulders down, abs tight, just hold. Feeling the stillness, feeling the strength in your body, feel that heart beating, feel your breath. All of your strength. Be proud of yourself for that hard work. Good, lift your hips, downward facing dog. Tiptoe your feet in and take a bend through those knees, rebuilding our spine, 1 vertebrae at a time. And meet me at the top. Give yourself a big round of applause, you guys. You crushed that workout. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's see how many calories we burned. Right, you guys, it looks like we burnt 150 calories in that 15-minute workout, which is amazing. It looks like we got in 1,500 steps as well. So that's your stats for the day. If you enjoyed it, let me know in those comments below, and we will see you back on the dance floor very soon. Also, if you want to support this channel, I have a couple links in the description of this video, and you can click those, and that just helps me keep on creating fun content like this. And let me know what else you want to see.